Hello and welcome back. Today we're going to do a quick unboxing of the NZXT H1 Tower ITX case. This will be featured in the ITX build upcoming, which is going to be a Ryzen 9 3950X CPU on a Asus ROG STRIX X570 iGaming motherboard. Let's get into it. Nice thick padding, ensuring that it's not going to get damaged during transit. Alright, so there we have it. It is a lot bigger than I expected in person from what I've seen in videos. But let's do a quick strip down and see what we have inside. So the front glass panel just pops off like that. It's held on with these pegs. And it's the same for the back. Alright, so let's see what we got here. Very well packed, and a very nice sturdy riser cable there. Flips straight into the CPU. Let's take the lid off. So the casing has got some nice magnetic filters on both the left and right side. And it's surprisingly strong. So air vents up and down both sides, should allow a lot of air to get in there. Let's have a look at what we have here then. So that's the small form factor power supply with a cable that runs along back here. Pre-run the cable so that it has a power port very easily accessible there. And we have a box of accessories. The mounting kit for the all-in-one cooler for both Intel and AMD there. Supply cable and the audio splitter for microphone and headphones, and a few cable ties. Oh, and a front front panel connector, making it easy to assemble. That's about it. User manual. Alright, let's continue with the strip down. So, from here, let's open up the side panel. Oh, okay, screws are very tight on this thing. That's your 140mm all-in-one cooler with the fan directly attached, and the pump block with the pre-applied thermal paste, and a motherboard plate down here. And a nice 650 watt small form factor power supply inbuilt. So you do get quite a lot for this case. Everybody does generally say that the casing is pretty expensive, but when you consider the fact that you have the small form factor power supply inbuilt, the AIO, as well as the Razer cable for the GPU right here, I believe that it's pretty reasonably priced. Alright, thank you for watching. Look forward to the full build coming soon. If you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe, and let me know what else you would like to see in the future. Thank you.